Hi, I'm Matt from Isuzu, and this is my car of the week. This is a one owner, fully serviced D-Max. It is a price point at $17,990. It's four-wheel drive and it's automatic, so easy peasy. It's got a full service history. Like, this is a full service history. Everything from this through every 15,000 that has been done. This has travelled 280,000 Ks, but it's fully serviced, and it's also got a brand new deck. This is from Isuzu New Zealand. These are worth about $4,000, and this is brand new. Effectively, he used his older tray on his new vehicle, so we have replaced it with this. So brand spanking new. It's a single cab, it's a special vehicle, and it's cheap. This is like an axe with a new handle. Brand new deck on a beautiful, well-oiled machine. So come and have a drive. My name's Matthew. Come and see me here. Look forward to it.